station who had reached that spot after that call was made at around 9:30 in the morning. However, because there was no written complaint given by Swati Maliwal on that particular day, the police officials had to return. Let's actually show you those visuals of the police officers at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And those are the pictures there from the 13th of May when police officials had reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence right after the PCR call was made from Swati Maliwal's number to the Delhi police. Tejshri is joining us. Tejshri, Delhi police has made multiple attempts to reach out to Swati Maliwal. On the day the PCR call was made, that day a few officials had reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence. But because of the lack of an official complaint, they had to go back. Right now, as we speak, are cops still present there like you told us a short while back?
Yes, the cops are still present over here, and let me show you the visuals just outside the residence of Swati Maliwal. So this is the particular location from where we are reporting, and in fact what we are being told is that the police team is still inside, and in fact there were two senior officials who had gone there to probably to speak to Swati Maliwal so as to what is going to, how she wants to take this matter forward. Is she filing a complaint? If complaint is filed, then FIR will be filed, then further action will be taken in this entire matter. Because remember that even if police needs to file a complaint, then there needs to be a compulsory signature of the complainant on that particular complaint copy. So that is why here Swati Maliwal's role is very much important as far as this particular case is concerned. And now if we talk about Swati Maliwal, so she is silent since this entire incident took place. Now we'll also have to, see this particular fact that why she is silent. Now BJP is asking question that is she silent because of some kind of pressure that's being built on her? Is she silent because Aam Aadmi Party is trying to negotiate with her? Is she silent because she is getting some kind of threats? So all in all, BJP certainly are raising such kind of questions so as to why the lady who speaks on each and every issue that pertains to women's safety, and now when it comes to her, she is completely silenced. She is in a denial mode, and in fact, it's more than 60 hours now since that incident.
With Bibhav Kumar literally being, going everywhere with the Chief Minister and with Sanjay Singh being part of those election events, getting a shield from Aam Aadmi Party workers who are heckling reporters for trying to question Bibhav Kumar. The messaging is very clear who the Aam Aadmi Party stands with. Now, we also have some more breaking news coming in, Tejshri, and please stay with us. And this is with regards to the investigation in the case.